Number three, five kingdom classification system. In 1937, E. Chatton suggested the term of prokaryote to describe bacteria and eukaryotes to describe animal and plant cell. In 1967, Robert Whittaker introduced the five kingdom classification system. This system is based on the level of cellular organization, that is prokaryotic, unicellular, eukaryotic and multicellular eukaryotic. The principal modes of nutrition, that is photosynthesis, absorption and ingestion. On the basis, organisms are classified into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. In 1988, Margulis and Squares modified the five kingdom classification of Whittaker. They consider genetics along with cellular organization and mode of nutrition in classification. They classified the organism into the same five kingdoms as proposed by Whittaker. The five kingdoms. The general characteristics of the five kingdoms are as follows. The kingdom Monera, it includes prokaryotic organisms, that is, they are made of prokaryotic cells. Monerans are unicellular, although some type form chain clusters or colonies of cells. Prokaryotic cells are radically different from eukaryotic cells. Most are heterotrophic, but some perform photosynthesis because they have chlorophyll in their cytoplasm. Within this kingdom, there are two different kinds of organisms, that is bacteria, cyanobacteria. Kingdom Protista. It includes eukaryotic unicellular and simple multicellular organisms. There are three main types of protists: algae and unicellular colonial or simple multicellular. They resemble plant cell with cell walls and chlorophyll in chloroplast. Simple multicellular mean that they do not have multicellular organ and do not form embryos during their life cycles. Protozoans resemble animals whose cells lack chlorophyll and cell wall. Some protists are fungi-like. Kingdom 3 Kingdom fungi. It is include eukaryotic multicellular heterotrophic, which are absorptive in their nutritional mode. For example, mushroom. Most fungi are decomposer. They live on organic material, secrete digestive enzyme, and absorb small organic molecules formed by the digestion by enzyme. Kingdom Plantae. It includes eukaryotic multicellular autotrophs. Plants are autotrophic in nutritional mode, making their own food by photosynthesis. They have multicellular sex organ and form embryos during their life cycle. Kingdom Animalia. It includes eukaryotic multicellular consumers. Animals live mostly by ingesting food and digesting it within specialized cavities. They lack cell wall and show movement. Biologists believe that kingdom Protista evolved from Monera and then it gave rise to the other three eukaryotic kingdoms, that is fungi, plantae and animalia. Hope you will like my this topic and this video. So if you are new on my channel Tech to Learn, so please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you.